hey, this is just some help for completing that appreciation and depreciation assignment in OneNote or vehicle depreciation. Okay, so your job is to find 2 vehicles, and you can just, pick anything you want. So let's say one vehicle that I want to buy is a Tesla. And it's just an investigation thing. So no big deal if, you can pick anything, and it doesn't have to be you don't have to pick the model or just, be as specific as you want. Okay, so then you're answering why might it be helpful to understand how vehicles depreciate? So just a brainstorm, why do you think? Could a vehicle ever appreciate in value? Do you think it would depend on the car, or will all vehicles depreciate? Or what do you think? What is the depreciation rate for each vehicle? So, let's say I picked a Tesla and, I don't know. I'm having a hard time thinking of a car. A Corolla. A Toyota Corolla. Corolla, is that how you spell it? So then in this section, you're really just kind of Googling it. Because how would you know? I don't know. So I just looked it up on Google. And I said, what's the depreciation rate of Teslas? And this caredge.com gives me some information. And whether it's super accurate or not, it's just a projection here based on what they see so far. So I can see this graph. So maybe I want to insert this graph into, I could just take a screenshot of this guy. I can probably edit it, right? Okay, I got this. So I'll just trim that down a little bit. There we go. Done. And then I can insert that into my OneNote for the graph to show the value of it over time. I tried searching for a bunch of different vehicles, and tons of them came up. So, okay, insert picture. This one. Looks good. Okay, so there's my Tesla depreciation curve. And then my depreciation rate for each vehicle. It does kind of give us, some information down here. It looks like right off the bat, our depreciation rate is pretty low. So it's changing every year. So the first year, it's got a depreciation rate of 3.41%. Then it goes to 11, 20, 27, 31. It's going more and more over time, which is shown in our graph. So for what's the depreciation rate for each vehicle? You can interpret that however you want. You could say in the first year, for Tesla, and feel free to give yourself more space for this. In the first year, it's about 3%. Second year, I already forgot. It's 12. And then you could however you want to summarize that. You're just kind of showing you're just summarizing kind of what the graph is showing. And then this one shows you, this one's just an example of depreciation rates, and you're just answering the questions from the graph. So yeah, really this top part's just like a Google, I don't know, you're just kind of investigating stuff. So yeah, I hope that helps somewhat. It's kind of an odd assignment.